Man, I had this crazy dream last night. Oh, look at that. Andy from Off-Grid Garage uploaded another video. I love this guy. Oh, Andy mentioned me?
Well, I would say Powerwall 2.1.
Did he say Powerwall 2.1?
Powerwall 2.1. Hey, have you seen Average Joe's video? Have you seen Average
Joe's
video about his Powerwall and battery shelf? I left a comment in his video and said, well, you cannot use these terms. They are solely being used in sunny hot Australia here.
Oh wait, he did mention this in a comment. Yeah, he did, right here. You cannot name it Powerwall or 2.0 or anything like that. All these names are already been taken. You may confuse people. Haha, Andy, you're so funny. Powerwall 2.0 can't be used.
What is he thinking?
Wait, what? What am I thinking? I thought Elon Musk came up with Powerwall 2.0. Powerwall 2.0. Enter. Powerwall 2.0. And it's down here too. Powerwall 2.0. Well, I mean, I built this. This is version 1.0. And there's a whole group of us that use DIY Powerwall. And I started building version 2. Isn't DIY Powerwall 2.0 like a general name? Do I need to come up with a new name? New name. New name. What's a new name? How about 2.1? Oh wait, no. Version 1.0, 2.0. I hate coming up with a new name! Oh wait, I need that. Alrighty, well it looks like I need to change the title to all of my videos because DIY Powerwall and version 2.0 have already been taken by Andy from the Off-Grid Garage. We can't have any confusion, so instead of using DIY Powerwall version 2.0, we're going to be going with DIY Powerwall version 2.0. I think that'll do it. And from this point forward, I won't be using anything from anybody else's video. I'm not going to copy or take from anybody else's video like everybody else does. All on my own. Welcome back everybody to another episode on Off-Grid Garage. I'm down here in sunny Australia. We have beautiful weather today. Alright, anyway, just kidding. Andy, we all love your channels. We love everything you're doing with your videos. We love your DIY Powerwall version 2.0. You, sir, were the one that kind of turned me on to these lithium iron phosphate cells and got me away from the explosion-y 18650s, so it's all your fault, by the way. Just a little tidbit is everybody uses the term DIY and Powerwall, and well, I guess maybe not everybody uses 2.0, but this is my second version of the Powerwall, so yeah. Actually, maybe I'll change it to 2500 or something. So there. Oh, actually, I do want to borrow or possibly use one more thing of yours. I'm having trouble finding circuit breakers for my battery boxes. Are you happy with your no-arc circuit breakers? If you are, let me know because I'm having trouble finding some and I might have to get some like yours. Again, this whole Powerwall 2.0 is inspired by you. And one other thing, Andy, I'm a terrible person. I still have your t-shirts right here. I'm terrible at post, and one of these, because there's two, it doesn't even make sense anymore, which I'll show you real quick. I'll just cut it open. So like a year and a half ago, I was gonna send these to you. It's not gonna make sense now because you have completely upgraded, but I made this for you. I think it was before you even had shirts made, but it says Off-Grid Garage Weather 3.5 amps. If you still want it, I'll send it to you. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna send it to you anyway. Today is Friday, so I will send it on Monday. Sorry I didn't send it like a year and a half ago. Like I said, I'm a terrible person and I'm terrible at shipping things. Hope you don't mind. Alright, well that's pretty much all I got. If all of you guys have been living under a rock for the past couple of years, make sure you check out Andy, the Off-Grid Garage, in the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.
It was real. He did mention me. I replied and said I was gonna change the name real quick, and he said, haha, all good, we can share, with another little face.
Because there's only one Powerwall and one battery shelf on this planet. But soon there will be a Powerwall 2.1. Let's get started.
Powerwall 2.0. Alright, we gotta do this serious. We're trying to make a video, dude. Quit making me laugh. No, dude. Okay. Yeah, this video took me entirely too long to make.